This is our American Revolution Go Fish game. And like every game, it comes with a booklet that has directions on how to play the different games that you can learn history with, and also a paragraph that describes everything you need to know about the images on the cards. When you open up the game for the first time, you'll find the cards wrapped nicely. And here we've laid them out on the table for you. Let's take a look at these cards. Category 1, Colonial America. Causes of the American Revolution. Reform and Resistance. Taxes and Massacre. To the Boston Tea Party. Intolerable Acts and Reaction. 1776, A Time for Choosing. Diplomacy and War. Inventing America. The Trans-Appalachian West. End of the War. American Victory. Once again, this is our American Revolution Go Fish game.